Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, visiting my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you have always been here, welcome back. I know that I've been silent mostly for a long time, but your girl is back. And in today's video, as the title suggests, we're gonna talk about why do people leave Switzerland. So as we all know, people migrate for different reasons: cultural reasons, social, climate related reasons, political reasons, you name it. People migrate for different reasons. We know also that Switzerland is a beautiful country. I have shown some amazing shots using my drone on my channel. So if you haven't seen any of those, I'll leave a link here so you can go see some of my drone shots. So it is a beautiful country. It is a nice place, a very comfortable place to raise your family and to just reside. It is a nice place to reside. While I was brainstorming content idea for another video, I came across some information, very interesting information that I would like to share with you guys. I'm just gonna read this piece of excerpt that I got from I'll leave the link in the description box as well, that I got from an online site. Of the immigrants who arrived in Switzerland in 1998, the portion who left the country after 21 years is extremely high, over 80%. I was shocked. I'm as shocked as you are. Over 80% among persons from the United States, Japan, and China. So I don't know if you are shocked as I am, but 80%, can you believe it? People who came here between 1998 to 21 years after, I think that's 2009, have migrated. 80% of those people left Switzerland. So not only migrants are leaving Switzerland, right? So Swiss are also leaving Switzerland at a rate that I wasn't expecting. So the article that you see on your screen now shows that in 2020, 23.6% of the Swiss population packed their bags and said bye-bye to paradise on earth. This makes me question if it's really paradise on earth. It leads me to wonder why. I wish I had the answers. I don't have the answers, but I would love to hear from you guys if you have an idea of why do you think people, including Swiss people, leave Switzerland at such a high rate? I'm still wondering. Let me know, guys. I really want you to let me know in the comment section. Why do you think? I know you've never lived here, but you could probably come up with some ideas based on what you've seen somewhere else or what someone has told you, and tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear that. It is important to know why people undertake international migration, right? It doesn't mean that Switzerland is a bad country to live. This is a very complex piece of data, and we don't really know why people are leaving. You know, it can be for so many different reasons, and the reasons are intertwined. So it's not to say that one country is better than one, or we're just discussing and trying to find out what could be some of the possible reasons why people leave this country at such high rate. Okay, so guys, if you're still watching the video to this point, here is a bonus piece of the video, right? So I'm going to share with you some of the reasons I would leave Switzerland. Here goes. Here are my reasons that I would leave Switzerland. One, I'm not able to finance my retirement. So if I'm here for, now I'm in my mid-30s, and this is the time you work, you pay into your pension funds, and then you will soon have an idea of how much you will get when you retire. If I find that I'm not able, or I won't be able to support my retirement and live comfortably in Switzerland, then I think it's time for me to pack up and leave and go somewhere else. The second reason why I would leave Switzerland is if I cannot find my purpose in the society. I think that's straightforward. I don't have to explain. I mean, if you can't find meaningful employment, and I said meaningful employment, something that means something, employment that means something to me, then I think it's time to pack up and leave. Another reason you guys will find very funny, I think, is if I have another baby. I just feel like I would need so much support, and I just would not get that here. And that would be like a real big reason for me to leave Switzerland. Yeah, and the obvious is missing my family back home and maybe cannot afford to travel back home as often as I would like, or I'm just tired of taking the plane all the time, then I think I would move back home. With that said, the next one is if I get an opportunity in another country. So let's say in America or in the UK, I get a job opportunity. Yeah, best believe the next day I'm on another flight. I think this is my final one for now. I think there are many other reasons, but I have to limit it. And so the next one is if I or my son feels unfairly treated or discriminated, I think that's an indicator for me and a reason for me to leave the country. I think I could think about other things that would drive me out of the country, but yeah, these are some of my reasons, and maybe are some of the reasons why other people left the country as well. I don't know. I would love to hear what you have to say, and if you were living in Switzerland and you left Switzerland, let me know in the comment section. Why did you leave? Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope it brought light to you. I hope you were informed. This video is for anybody who is looking to move abroad. Look into some of these information. Look into some of these questions like, what's the immigration? I keep on saying immigration, but it's emigration. Is it emigration? The E word. I for some reason confuse them. But the rate of people leaving, especially migrants and even citizens leaving that country. Look at the rate and find out reasons why people are leaving at such high rates before you decide to move to that country. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Don't forget to like the video, share the video if you found it useful. It might be useful to somebody else, and I'll catch you next time.